So I got this digital photo frame as a gift. And at first I was like, what am I going to do with a digital photo frame? And then I looked it up and saw that it's nearly $200. And I was like, why is this so expensive? And then I opened it up to start using it and realized why it is so expensive. All right, so this is a Photospring digital photo frame, and it is essentially an Android tablet. So it comes with the charger, comes with the frame itself, obviously, and it unlike older photo frames, it has a dock that you can remove this from, and it has a battery, and there's an on-off switch on the back. You can turn it on, and to load photos to it, you don't need to have a thumb drive like the old school photo frames. It's turning on. It basically you could set an email address to this frame, and you could just email photos directly to that email address, and they will automatically end up on here. Also, if you go onto their site, they have an uploader, and this is faster than using the email option. You could just go to myphotospring.com, upload photos, and you link your account on the internet to a code that the frame gives you, and then all the photos automatically show up on here. So what I'm planning on doing now, so this is the playlist. You go back, and these are all your photos. So for me, what I'm doing is I'm actually going to give this to my grandparents who weren't able to make it to my recent wedding. And now it's going to tell the story of the wedding with the family photos, and they're going to feel like they were there. So something that I thought was silly is actually, I think, pretty awesome. And what's really nice about it is that I could give this to them, and we could be uploading photos from an hour away or wherever. There's also a phone app. You can organize everything right on here. So like you could hit the select button, and you could go and you could select individual photos. You could add them to albums. You can favorite some. You can delete some. Say we add photos to this that my grandparents don't want to see, they can delete them. The other thing is that what I think is nice is the old school photo frames were like a stand, and they were plugged in. Like the fact that this separates from its dock and you could grab it and hold it and use it as a tablet because it has a battery is really nice. You could filter out the views. You could only view certain, if you want, you can only look at certain albums because you can create albums. So like let's say if I select this and I want to add an album, you can create a new album right on here. You could select whatever photos are in the stream and dump them in a new album. And you could separate things by album. And yeah, I really was pretty, it's like, why do we need this? But this is a really awesome gift. These photo frames have come a long way, and that's the reason why they're as expensive as they are. It's not just like you put photos on a thumb drive and plug it into the thing and it'll play a slideshow. It also will play video. It'll automatically play video. So if you have video within that photo stream, it'll play the video. It'll automatically cycle through a slideshow, and it's really good quality. So I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this particular photo frame. But it would make a nice gift, and even nice to have in your own home. But it's got 6 hours of battery life. It's on the Wi-Fi, obviously. That's how it's receiving photos. They have an app for your phone, so if you're taking photos on your phone, you can upload right from your phone. You can do it from the computer. Like I said, you could email to the screen. It's really nice.